Hi there everyone. We are looking today at similar calculations. So this is the idea of you've got a calculation which is going to be given to you, and again it tends to be a non-calculator paper where you compare what you've got as a question relating to something which is similar to it. So I'll show you what I mean. So sometimes, like I say, given a calculation and answer to similar questions. So you've got 2.6 times 65 is 169. All right, so you're given that calculation, and then you're going to ask to basically say, well, what is 2.6 times 650? So no one is asking you to really do the calculation. What they're looking to do is for you to recognise that this question is 10 times bigger than this question. So therefore my answer must be 10 times bigger. All right, so 1,690. All right, so that's what they're looking for you to recognise with a similar calculation. All right, so keeping that at the top again. So what has happened here compared to this one here? Well, this is 10 times bigger and this is 100 times smaller. So overall, all right, so if that's 10 times bigger, this is 100 times smaller, then my answer is going to be 10 times smaller. All right, so it's like an additional 10 here, but taking 2 10s off here. All right, so overall it's going to be 1 less 10, so therefore 16.9 is going to be my solution to that one. What about 169 divided by 6.5? All right, well, 169 divided by 65 will give me 2.6. But 169 divided by 6.5, which is 10 times smaller, is going to give me an answer which is 10 times bigger. So it's going to be 26. All right. And then finally, 169 divided by 26. So same kind of idea. So 169 divided by 26. Well, I'm going to divide by something which is 10 times bigger than this. So my answer must be 10 times smaller. All right, so 6.5. All right, so this is similar calculations. It's a bit of a kind of, I'm not saying a confusing one, but the idea of powers of 10 is it's about the AFC. Well, something is 10 times bigger, something is 10 times smaller, and what impact that would be. All right, so if you think you need the practice, then obviously get yourself onto maths-school.co.uk and have a go at some of those kind of questions which are on there. But thanks for listening.